Okay, this is Mocap M9 Bird Residence. What we've got is a 2-panel L configuration like that. Got the home here where the installation is going to go. There's not enough room. The customer wishes to retain that shutter on the house, which doesn't give us enough room between the gas meter to put 2 of them vertically. We're going to put one horizontally over the windows, one vertically next to the shutter, and it'll be a partial L with about 2 foot of overlap on the edge. Can't do a full overlap because there's not enough room up top. And we'll just run 2 through the wall, an intake and an outlet through the wall into the living space, which we'll go look at right now. There's some doggies for you. Okay, here's the inside wall. There is an outlet right there. If we could use it, that'd be great. Otherwise, there's able to run one, but basically there'll be a outlet and an inlet. In that area, I'll have to miss that phone jack, but that shouldn't be a problem. Basically, there's that going down to the basement. Okay, pretty easy access to the crawl space. Let's get a light on here. If we need to run a wire over to that wall over there, it doesn't look like a big deal at all. Here's the fuse panel. The main panel's a Powercraft, but it's full. There's a secondary square D load center here with plenty of room if we need to run a circuit. Just up and over. That should do it.